Well, just a little update on the furnace rebuild. It's all together. I got a short stovepipe on it. Got all the vents closed off inside the cabin. I still got to elbow it over and put it to the chimney. But we got all the new barrels in. I have to put the front skirting back on it. But so far so good. I don't know if you can see the smoke boiling out of it or not. It's like 83, 84 degrees. But I built a hot fire in it to burn the paint off the barrels and get them ready. See if we can get in there. There we go. So it's burning the paint off the barrel before I put the skirting and everything back over the front of it. And like I say, burn all the paint off the barrels and everything and get them kind of seasoned in. Grate back in it. So, yep. Be ready for another winter. Of heat. So got the old barrels sitting out here where I tore them apart and pulled them out. The old lids. I gotta get them out of here now or figure out something to do with them. Ain't no telling. Not a bit. So that's one more thing off of my to-do list. Anyhow. Other than just, you know, the little minor stuff, putting the skirting and everything back around the fronts of the barrel and sealing the furnace building off again. Which I have to do that every time I get in there and redo that. Trying to back up here far enough, trying to get it all in frame at one time, but ain't gonna happen. And I'm standing back here in the door of my shop. But, like I said, that's one less thing to have to do before winter that's done. Yep, there comes Zena. She has to check it out. Well, she sees when I'm lost. All that heat driving them big orange ones out. And boy, they are some kind of pissed off too. See if I can find one on the outside here. Yeah, right there, son. I don't know if this will show up or not, or how close I can get to them. Them some bad wasps right there. Oh, man. Alright, well, this will probably be the last furnace rebuild update video they'll be in this series. And I still got a bunch of mess to clean up here where I cut and ground and bolted and put back together. But I want to thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to rate, share, subscribe, comment. You know, let me know what you think. Everybody have a awesome day. God bless. Laters.